Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
Ogu Mozambique of Amere, Hope Uzodinma, and the Ebubuagu people. This Ebubuagu must to end. We put stop to this Ebubuagu. They are doing a very big harm in our mama, Oru East, Oru West as a whole. Killing our youth for no reason. Why? Killing our youth for no reason. Ogu Mozambique is the commander. Ogu Mozambique is the commander of Ebubuagu, killing his brothers and sisters for no reason. Why? Why? A bandit from Mozambique, a terror, somebody that they have marked a terrorist in Mozambique, come back here and collect Ebubuagu commander.
Dani Bukaye! Dani Bukaye! Dani Bukaye! Dani Bukaye! Dani Bukaye! Bukone aye! Bukone aye! Dani Bukaye! Dani Bukaye!
It's not what we're mad
14 boys out to Lagula.
14 boys.
That's not for revenge. And we want that a man.
That,
and we tear them.
14 boys. What did the 14 boys do? What did they do? Ndigra traditional marriage. Can they Ebubuagu baburu?
Yeah, Ebubuagu agbala this boy. Gbakwa onye nke a.
1 million march in our mama now because of the killing of our youth by Ebubuagu and the Hope Uzodinma and the Ogu Mozambique. Ogu Mozambique, Hope Uzodinma, and the Ebubuagu people have caused a very big harm in our mama, have caused a havoc in our mama. Ogu and the Hope Uzodinma, we, the youth of Oru East and the West, we have come out to protest against the killing of our youth, against burning houses, burning everything. In the name of Ebubuagu or something. Hope is the master of insecurity in Imo State, and he is attacking the ESN and the IPOB and innocent people, accusing them of insecurity in Imo State. Why Hope Uzodinma is the key of insecurity in Oru East in Imo State at a whole. 1 million march in our mama going on. This Ebubuagu must end by fire by force.
Can you imagine this? These are people that went to celebrate with their friend in a traditional marriage. Before they look, everybody were running up and down, and Ebubuagu were able to scatter the marriage, send 14 people, delete them live. They carry their corpse everywhere, roaming about in the streets of Imo State. See, enough is enough. This is getting out of hand. This is too much. I hear some persons saying that they don't really know if those boys are criminal or not. So therefore, they don't have anything to say about it. Thank you very much. But let me remind you something. That if these guys would have been such as you said, Do you really think that people this way will come out to like introduce themselves, the brothers, the friends of those people, because these people have parents, they have mother, father, brothers, relatives, and everybody are just crying? Do you really think that these boys are bad boys? How many Fulani herdsmen will they catch in the act of committing high sin with our mothers and our sisters? What will they do to them? They will arrest them. At the end of the day, they will let them go. But when it comes to our own people, what will happen? They say they should just delete them. That means there be something this Ebubuagu that are covering that these guys they know. Because how can you just select 14 boys just like that and you delete them in marriage? Not that they are sitting close to each other or they came in a max, no, or they came tying or wearing one kind of red shirt or tying something, no, they don't even have arms. You were able to detect 14 people, calling them out. You call this one out, you delete and call this one out, you delete her. That is how you deleted 14 people, and the land is bleeding. Honestly speaking, the land is bleeding. The land is crying. The blood of the innocent are crying for vengeance. This is just too much to bear. Honestly, it is them too much, way back, way too much. Like for someone to bear this type of thing, it is so sad. It is so bad. Oh my goodness. There are pictures or videos that I cannot display here. Definitely it will never go with anybody that try to take the life of his or her own brother just because of power. Because you are in position today, you can do whatever you want to do, and the government, they are clapping hands for them. There are people, they are happy with it, and what they are doing is bad, is good. But believe me, they will repeat in 100-fold. This is what we are talking about. That is why some people say there is no election. Please and please, no election. You can't be taking the lives of people that you say you are leading. It is impossible. So my wonderful family, this thing is very bad. But I said, let me bring it to so that you know what is going on right now in Biafra land, Imo State to be precise. That is where this happened. And young boys that went for their friends' traditional marriage were deleted. 14 of them right in the marriage ground. Tell me, how will the couples feel? What would happen? It is so sad. So please share this video, like and subscribe. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here I said bye.